Welcome back, everybody. Well, if you're missing teeth, wearing dentures or partials, or if you have teeth and those teeth are no longer healthy, you are definitely a candidate for Hybridge.
So Hybridge is a state-of-the-art dental implant-supported restoration offered by Drs. Matthew Nawrocki and Dr. Richard Aguila of the Jacksonville Dental Specialists, the exclusive Hybridge providers of Jacksonville. Thank you so much for being here once again. We appreciate you guys coming back on the show. So last week you were here and you were talking a little bit about dental implants, but we want to kind of go more in depth about Hybridge because this is the only place that you can really get it, and it has such a profound impact on the people who get this. So give us an idea for those who might not know.
So what the Hybridge is it's a full arch restoration. It's a U-shaped prosthesis, this being the top jaw. It replaces up to 12 teeth, and it's supported by 5 or 6 dental implants, 6 on the top jaw, 5 on the bottom. It's made here in the United States, and what it gets its strength from is this chrome cobalt framework underneath there that supports the teeth. And so it is truly a permanent solution for those people that are missing teeth or otherwise can't restore their teeth.
And part of what makes it so revolutionary, I would assume, is the maintenance and being able to maintain it and remove it. And just usually when things are cutting edge, it's because they've made it better and they've made it easier.
Yes. Hybridge is a permanent restoration, but if needed, it can be removed by us as your Hybridge provider. The Hybridge is fabricated to withstand normal function just like natural teeth. But there are those occasions, such as trauma, where you may break off a tooth or function over a 10-15 year period where it wears down the teeth, where the Hybridge needs to be replaced. With it being easily removed, it can be easily repaired. So that's one huge advantage of Hybridge. As far as maintenance, just like teeth, your Hybridge will require dental cleanings on a regular basis. We recommend cleanings every 3 to 4 months. We have an outstanding group of hygienists who not only will provide you with a thorough cleaning, but also go teach you the techniques on maintaining your Hybridge and cleaning your Hybridge on a daily basis, which will allow you to maintain the Hybridge the rest of your life.
We were just looking at some of the before and after photos, and they're just unbelievable, the difference that it makes. I'm sure it's life-changing for your patients. But what about the patients out there who are told that they do not have enough bone to be able to get implants? What do you say to them?
Yes, as the surgeon, if you're told you're not a candidate for implants, you still may be a candidate for Hybridge. We have a unique surgical protocol where we utilize your existing bone as much as possible, okay? So we always use what you have. If you're deficient in bone and you have a lot of bone loss, we do have the training and expertise in performing all the advanced bone grafting procedures, okay? And we utilize a cone beam 3-dimensional CT scan to evaluate the bone ahead of time and see if bone grafting is needed. We also utilize the CT scan to allow us to precisely place your dental implants.
Well, Casey was asking you, about people who had been told before because they don't have a lot of bone, but what about other people? Who else would be a good candidate?
So a lot of our patients actually at this point in time are the baby boomer generation. They've invested a lot of time and money, root canals, crowns, bridges, those kinds of things. They care a lot about their looks just as much as their function. And so that's a big patient pool of ours right now. Others are those wearing dentures or partial dentures, and they're just uncomfortable. They can't function, they can't eat, they have chronic sore spots. So those are 2 huge patient pools that we see. People who don't just genetically they didn't make all their teeth, or they had a trauma or an accident, or just dental neglect, or just over the years, particularly in the last 5, 6, 7 years, people have put off seeing the dentist, and now they're having a whole host of problems arise. So we truly get a lot of people, but a lot of them are these either chronic denture wearers or this baby boomer generation that really puts a lot of merit into that.
And if someone is watching and they want to learn more about this, you have a free seminar that's coming up. It's a seminar that you do monthly, and you have one just right around the corner.
Our next one is actually tomorrow evening, and we talk about not just the Hybridge options, but all your dental implant options, and then any other things. You may not be someone who's a candidate for implants, but there's other things we can do as well. But we go over all that. If you can't make tomorrow evening, call us. You can sign up for another one of our monthly meetings. Or call us up and we'll take you into a consultation or answer any questions you might have.
That's a great opportunity. If you just want to kind of get your questions answered and, and do it in a setting where it's free, Yeah, it works for me. Well, thanks, you guys.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
you being
Really,
here
anytime
so
you can
much.
get it as close to the natural teeth as possible, that's got to be a great asset to your clients.
Oh, yeah, and the pictures are awesome. Well, thank you
Yeah,
guys, and we
thank you.
appreciate Jacksonville Hybridge, of course, for sponsoring this segment.
To learn more about your dental implant options or to sign up for their seminar tomorrow night, visit jacksonvillehybridge.com or you can give them a call at 904-460-4201.